Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. As you can see, pretty much forming up very similar to all of our other altcoins. We have this big descending wedge pattern which we've broken out of and back tested. As you can see, we've been back testing into this previous area of resistance as support for Polygon as well, getting down into this nice area of demand that we've bounced at twice. As you can see, we've got quite big wick rejections of this area at around 44 cents. You can see this was basically an area where we did have resistance and support. You can see support resistance formed this big deviation, and then we did test both levels twice before breaking down. Still in my long position that I took under the bear market range low. As you can see, as soon as we broke below it, I did take a long because I thought that we were definitely going to be getting a bounce soon. We bounced back inside. We got this really big impulse up to the upside here from just under 30 cents to up to around 76 cents, which is really good to see. As you can see, overall we're basically descending wedge here, breakout back test, forming a bit of a range in the local area like a lot of altcoins have. And overall Polygon here looking like it's rejecting a big move to the downside in line with what Bitcoin's doing. You can see Bitcoin has been putting in a range as well and rejecting a move to the downside below that range, and looking like we're heading back up probably to the top of the range up to around 104k. Obviously, if that's the case, we will be seeing Polygon moving back to the upside as well, probably up to around that 53 cent area at the top of its range as well. Overall, I think Polygon's doing fine. Obviously, it's more smashed down than most altcoins and definitely got a lot of work to do, but I still think it's going to be heading up towards its all-time high in this bull market, if not hitting its all-time high and a little bit beyond. I don't think a 10x or so from the current price for Polygon is out of the question. Obviously, it's very smashed down right now, but there are a crazy amount of leveraged short positions all across Polygon right now in terms of price points. And I do think we could see ourselves getting a bit of a liquidation cascade if we do see altcoins having another big pump in the markets. We already saw Cardano, XRP, etc. all having 4-5x's from their local lows. Polygon is underperforming somewhat, but I do think it's a crypto that could potentially surprise a lot of people going forward. A lot of these older coins do have the potential to do that. Right now it looks like it's probably having had around its 50% retrace, which you expect from an impulse in crypto all the time. You can see we have this impulse here and we've dropped back down around 50%, and now people are coming in for buys again for that next leg up, which I think will probably be up towards $1, which is up here, and that 618 Fibonacci level. Still holding my long position up towards those levels, not really worried too much at all, just chilling and waiting to see what happens next. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
You